Let's break it down. These subjects profound. Computer science and engineering, we wear the crown. Data structures and algorithms, organizing with ease. Efficient manipulation, unlocking mysteries. Computer architecture, structure and operation. Implementing systems across the nation. Operating systems, manage resources tight. Hardware, software, keeping it right. From database networks, it's a tech sensation. Software engineering, shaping innovation. Theory of computation, automata in play. AI and machine learning leading the way. Database and SQL and NoSQL dance. Design, implement, manage, advance. Computer networks, protocols and design. Communication systems, connect the line. Software engineering, methods to deploy. Design, develop, test, bring the joy. Cybersecurity, protect with might. Shielding systems, day and night. From ACI to web dev, user experience. Mobile computing, apps with coherence. Embedded systems, hardware and code unite. Cloud computing, scale new heights. Parallel and distributed computing, processing grand across multiple systems. Expanding the land, these subjects fuel our dreams, ignite the fire. Computer science and engineering taking us higher. From database networks, it's a tech sensation. Software engineering shaping innovation. Theory of computation, automata in play. AI and machine learning leading the way. Database system networks, it's a tech sensation. Software engineering, shaping innovation. Theory of computation, automata in play. Hey. AI and machine learning leading the way. Database systems, SQL and NoSQL dance. Design, implement, manage, advance. Computer networks, protocols and design. Communication systems, connect the line. Database systems, SQL and NoSQL dance. Design, implement, manage, advance. Design, implement, manage, advance. Design, implement, manage, advance. Database systems, NoSQL dance. Design, implement, manage, advance. Computer networks, protocols and design. Communication systems, connect the line. Parallel and distributed computing, processing grand across multiple systems. Expanding the land, these subjects fuel our dreams, ignite the fire. Computer science and engineering taking us higher. Parallel and distributed computing, processing grand across multiple systems. Expanding the land, these subjects fuel our dreams, ignite the fire. Computer science and engineering taking us higher. From database and networks, it's a tech sensation. Software engineering shaping innovation. Theory of computation, automata in play. AI and machine learning leading the way. A broad world of bytes and codes, we stand tall. Computer science and engineering, answering the call. From theory to practice, we innovate and explore. The future's ours to build.